Welcome to the Clear Canvas podcast, a space where conversations are going to run more than a little skin deep. With these conversations, मेरी कोशिश ये होगी कि मैं आप लोगों के लिए वो चीज़ें लाऊं जो ना सिर्फ डीपली ह्यूमन हो, इन्फॉर्म्ड हो, बल्कि इतनी रीअश्योरिंग हो कि आपको लगे कि मैं या मेरे साथ बैठे हुए जितने भी लोग हैं उनकी जर्नी के साथ आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So, stay tuned for our upcoming episodes and I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, that's an excellent question. सबसे पहले तो foremost कि दोनों हैं क्या, दोनों doctors हैं, both of them aesthetic physician and a dermatologist. दोनों ने MBBS किया हुआ है. So to become either of these two, आपने पहले डॉक्टर तो हर हाल में बनना है. You cannot be a nutritionist, you cannot be a DPT and say that you are an aesthetic physician or a dermatologist. तो पहले आपने MBBS किया. After MBBS, if somebody opts for okay, I don't want to specialize in anything and I will just do some aesthetic courses and become a physician, तो वो फिर aesthetic physician होगा. While a dermatologist is a specialist in skin, hair and nails. तो ये जिस तरह बाकी स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, जैसे हम कहें कि हम कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट और दिल के डॉक्टर होते हैं, गैस्ट्रोएंटरोलॉजिस्ट या इवन सर्जन्स, वो स्पेशलाइज करते हैं इन द पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. तो डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट भी स्पेशलाइज करते हैं. दे गो थ्रू द होल विगरस ट्रेनिंग ऑफ क्लिनिकल रोटेशंस, ऑफ गोइंग टू द हॉस्पिटल, स्टडिंग फॉर द स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड देन पासिंग द एग्जाम, द क्लियरेंस एग्जाम. वो करते हैं तो उसके बाद फिर आप डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट बनते हैं एंड देन यू आर एबल टू प्रिस्क्राइब मेडिसिन फॉर डिफरेंट स्किन डिजीजेज लाइक हेयर डिजीजेज. जैसे सबसे कॉमन जिस तरह है एक्जिमा हो गया, सोराइसिस हो गया, एक्नी हो गया, फंगस हो गई. तो ये सब डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट की डोमेन में आते हैं. एस्थेटिक फिजिशियंस कैन नॉट प्रिस्क्राइब यू मेडिसिन रिगार्डिंग योर स्किन डिजीजेज. Secondly, I would say that dermatologists, they have a little more in-depth knowledge about all the things going in the skin, under the skin and above the skin. So a dermatologist would be a better option for you if you go for any of the procedures or any skin disease, because they would know what they are doing. That will be around 3.5 years back in 2022. I was working for some other clinic as a consultant dermatologist and of course an aesthetic dermatologist. But as I was growing in my field, I realized something, there's something lacking in the whole business. I would call it a business, hospital setup or clinic setup, that it was more business inclined as compared to patient inclined. So वहाँ पे जो एक gap आता है where business owners only count people as numbers and not as patients. वो जो empathy and sympathy lacking होती है ना between patients and owners, वो एक बहुत ही बड़ा वर्ड छोड़ जाती है. फिर हम हर दूसरे दिन सुन रहे होते हैं फलां हॉस्पिटल में दे ट्रीटेड अस लाइक दिस, दे ट्रीटेड अस लाइक दैट, बिकॉज वो एक दे आर मोर ऑफ नंबर्स फॉर पीपल. वहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग आई वुड वांट टू डू एज अ डॉक्टर. हम जब डॉक्टर्स बनते हैं तो हमें पहली बात ही सिखाई जाती है कि एम्पैथी एम्पैथी एंड एम्पैथी, लेकिन वो वास्टली लैकिंग होती है इन बिजनेस सेटअप्स. तो वहाँ पे मैंने सोचा कि यार दिस इज़ नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी एंड आई नीड टू डू समथिंग. So this idea propped up, maybe build my own setup where I can do what I want to do in my own way, so that मैं भी satisfied हूँ with what I am providing to the person who comes to me. और जब patient यहाँ से walk out भी करता है, they would be happy कि yes, the doctor listened to me. She knew my concern. She was concerned about me as a human, not as a business owner. तो वहाँ पे that was the one thought that made me realize कि I need to have my own place, जहाँ पे मेरी मर्जी चलेगी but in a good way. बस फिर in 2023 June I opened up my own place and अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जब मुझे पेशेंट आके ये कहते हैं ना कि आप सुनती हैं, हम फलां के पास गए, उन्होंने बस हमें फारिग किया, तो वो जो खुशी मिलती है that I cannot explain in words. इसको समझने के लिए ना वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड टू थिंग्स. इसमें दो चीज़ें आ जाती हैं. एक है कि व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट पेशेंट्स इन बिग हॉस्पिटल सेटअप्स, और सेकंड फिर हम बाद में करते हैं. पहले तो इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. व्हाट हैपेंस इज़ कि आप गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में चले जाएं, लेट्स से समथिंग एज गुड एज पिम्स, ठीक है, इट्स अ टर्शियरी केयर हॉस्पिटल. वहाँ पे पेशेंट लोड इतना ज़्यादा है that each doctor has to do an OPD of as minimum as 3 to 400 per day, जो start होती है 9 o'clock and ends at around 2 o'clock. तो you can imagine कि जब आपने 300-400 लोगों को देखना है तो what happens? बेचारा डॉक्टर they can either write the prescription for the patient or they can understand what their internal problems are. तो वो वहाँ पे जो है ना unfortunately कम हॉस्पिटल्स होने की वजह से, डॉक्टर्स की फोर्स कम होने की वजह से, पेशेंट लोड ज़्यादा होने की वजह से all this compassion gets lost somewhere, because as primary caretakers we have to provide the patient with medicines first. तो वहाँ पे what happens कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है कि हम सर भी उठा के पेशेंट से पूछें कि how they are feeling today. तो empathy unfortunately gets lost in the way of all the patient load that we are put on. तो इसलिए जो है एक तो बहुत मेजर रीज़न है कि वी आर नॉट गिवन इनफ टाइम विद द पेशेंट, वी आर नॉट गिवन इनफ स्पेस फॉर द पेशेंट एंड डॉक्टर टू इंटरेक्ट. तो वहाँ पे अनफॉर्चुनेटली द एम्पैथी पार्ट गेट्स लॉस्ट और डॉक्टर जो होता है वो सिर्फ एक दवाई देने वाला इंसान बस बन के रह जाता है. सेकेंड आता है द प्राइवेट क्लिनिक ओनर्स, जैसे जो डर्माटोलॉजी या एस्थेटिक क्लिनिक्स पर हैं. वो वहाँ पे जो अनफॉर्चुनेट बात होती है कि वहाँ पे एक मनी मेकिंग रेस बन जाती है कि मैं आई डोंट गिव अ डैम कि पेशेंट को क्या ज़रूरत है, आई वुड रेदर मेक माई मनी. तो वहाँ पे जब आप व्हेन यू बिकम अ मनी मेकिंग मशीन यू आर नॉट अ डॉक्टर एनी मोर देन, इन माई ओपिनियन यू बिकम अ बिजनेस ओनर देन. तो वहाँ पे फिर एम्पैथी का तो रोल है ही नहीं. तो फिर वहाँ पे एम्पैथी अनफॉर्चुनेटली गेट्स लॉस्ट एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट द मनी मनी एंड मनी. इसमें तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात एक चीज़ जो है वो याद रखने वाली है, whether it's the Kardashians, whether it's the local influencers, whether it's the Korean influencers or the Korean stars, what we need to understand is they are selling you things that they are being paid for. किसी का दिल इतना अच्छा नहीं है कि वो आके जो है ना अपने कहे कि ये मैं दिल की अच्छाई से आपको कह रही हूँ कि ये कर लें, ठीक है. Everybody is selling something that they're being paid for. Kardashians have made their money out of this whole thing where they tell you ये करवा लो, वो करवा लो, do this, and then they become richer and we common people we think that oh we should also get that then to look like them. लेकिन होता क्या है कि जब हम हर इन्फ्लुएंसर की बात सुन रहे हैं, हर टिकटॉकर की बात सुन रहे हैं और हम डॉक्टर की नहीं सुन रहे, तो उल्टा जो है वो हमारा नुकसान कर रहे होते हैं. तो इसमें आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट योर डॉक्टर. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ द ट्रस्ट बिटवीन द डॉक्टर एंड द पेशेंट. कि जो डॉक्टर है उसने एक पूरी स्टडी की है इस पर. वी वुडंट एंडोर्स एनीथिंग विदाउट प्रॉपर स्टडीज़. जो हम देखते हैं कि इस पर ईयर्स ऑफ स्टडीज़ हुई हैं, इनके रिजल्ट्स हैं, we would push you for that treatment, not for something that 20 years something TikToker is telling you or a K-pop star is telling you or a Kardashian is telling you. सबसे prime example है, and I do have a video of this as well, where Kim Kardashian is selling these face lifting masks. And खुद फेसलिफ्ट करवाए हुए हैं and they have these perfect jaw lines and they're telling the common people कि ये मास्क पहन लें and you'll get the perfect jaw line. And the unfortunate part, they sold overnight because Kim Kardashian was telling them to buy them and they would do nothing for you, nothing at all. It's just a waste of money. तो इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि trust people who know what they are doing rather than somebody who just decides to put the camera in front of their face and tell you कि बस आज तो ये कर लो तो कमाल हो जाएगा, कल उठोगी तो ये लग रही होगी, वो लग रही होगी. So it's better to trust your doctor than all the influencers. As we talked earlier कि लोग influencers की सुनते हैं, stars की सुनते हैं, तो that's where as doctors हमारा रोल आ जाता है कि हम लोगों को educate करें कि there is a voice for doctors as well. And I think the way the world has shaped now, बहुत important हो गया है for doctors as well कि हमारी social media presence इतनी strong हो कि लोग हमें भी सुनें. And that's where I think social media is very important because now everybody is on some social media platform. As somebody as old as my grandma who's on Facebook or my kids who would be on TikTok, so everybody is somewhere on the social media platform and they listen to what is being said. तो वहाँ पर आई थिंक डॉक्टर्स की प्रेजेंस एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अनदर थिंग, जब मेरे पास पेशेंट आता है और ये कहता है कि आई हैव बीन वॉचिंग ऑल योर वीडियोज़ एंड दे हैव बीन सो एजुकेशनल, तो आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग व्हाट यू से, so that really gives me that, you know, kind of happiness कि, you know, yes, what I'm talking is not something which is going to waste. लोग सुन रहे हैं, लोग समझ रहे हैं कि yes, the shift should move from the influencer market to the doctor market. कि डॉक्टर्स जो हैं वो आपके फ़ायदे की ही बात करेंगे, they are not there to harm you. तो fortunately कहना चाहिए, unfortunately everybody is on social media, and सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे प्रेजेंस होना इन अ गुड वे, नॉट इन अ कहते हैं ना कार्टूनिश वे या इमेच्योरिश वे, इज़ आई थिंक वेरी बेनिफिशियल. एंड saying that yes, I have this much following shows that people would want to know what we're talking about. Okay, I will start with something funny. I think एक meme चल रही थी कि, you know, somebody's asking कि, oh my god, you do this, how do you manage your life? And the person goes, I don't. So to be very honest, there are days where you feel like I don't manage my life, it's just managing me with everything going on. But yes, juggling all these roles, and very important roles, especially I would say being a mother is a big responsibility. You're never ready for it, but it comes with its own happiness and challenges. But yes, in सबको juggle करना, in सबको manage करना, and to make sure that everything is going as right as it can, you have to put in a lot of effort. And as they say, it takes a village to raise a child. So it's not just the child that it takes a village, it takes a village to, I think, manage a whole house. So वहाँ पे I would say having a good spouse, whether it's a husband or wife, ठीक है, it's not just कि females need good supportive husbands, husbands also need good supporting wives, बहुत ज़रूरी है. Having good supporting in-laws, your own family, your mother, your siblings, your father, very important. And believe me, मुझे सब ने support किया. I wouldn't just say my husband, he has been a great help, always has been. But my mother, my brothers, my mother-in-law, everybody, like, they have been there for me. I still remember the day when मेरा paper pass हुआ था, and my father-in-law, he's like, मैंने 100 नफल माने हुए थे तुम्हारे paper pass करने के, तो he didn't have to do that for me, but he did. So having this kind of support is something that goes a long way, especially when you are doing so many things all at once. So you know your children will be in safe hand, your house will be in safe hand, and you can concentrate on your clinic. तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा एक आ जाता है, आपको mental peace आ जाता है कि yes, I don't have to worry about every single thing all by myself. So I can concentrate on one thing at a time, I can categorize things, and then they will run smoothly. Or yes, and my husband, like my husband and my brother, awfully helpful, especially जब मैंने clinic start करना था. Of course, I don't come from a very rich background कि I would say कि I had extra money, so I decided to make my own clinic. It was all the savings that we had. So he used all his savings, I used mine, and wherever we were falling short, I would ask my brother for it, and he would gladly pitch in. So this is something which I couldn't have done without all this support, and this is something I don't think I will be able to continue if I don't still have that support. So for anybody, male, female, having a good family is something very important, and to cultivate that feeling of safety, of being you being a strong woman, that comes from your background. My mother was a strong woman, and alhamdulillah, I think she raised me to be a strong daughter. My brothers always had my backbone, and my husband, though, he's always there, making silly jokes when I'm stressed out, helping me however he can. And I love it when my kids, they are every day, they are like, oh, you're tired, let me get you water, and they're like these tiny things. They help you go through every day in a strong way. Well, as this podcast is launching in 2026 and it is a new year, so with this podcast, I would want to invite more female founders, more females in different fields of life. जो ना सिर्फ dermatology या aesthetics में हों बल्कि maybe somebody who's a sportswoman, somebody who's a TV anchor, anybody, even a housewife who thinks she has something important to say to all the women out there, to all the people out there. So I have great hopes for this podcast during 2026. This is going to take the women of the Islamabad and the world somewhere. Secondly, I have been talking to the youth of Pakistan in 2025, and I want to keep on talking to the youth because the way they receive you and the way they listen to you, it's so uplifting, and the way they tell you that they have learned something important, a life lesson from you. That's something I want to give them, and I want them to know that I'm always there for them, and no matter what. And lastly, for my clinic, I would want to expand my clinic in 2026, bringing new innovations for you guys, make it better for you, and give you the best I can in my capacity so that you would be happy in your skin. And if you are happy in your skin, I'll be happy.